Hello. Today we're looking at this really strangely proportioned car from Bruno Cornelsen, and I'm kind of in love with it. It's got super cartoony proportions, and it's sort of blowing my mind. But anyway, it's got some really cool textures and stuff and materials. I love the little heat wraps, and I think some of the textures actually are not popped in yet. It's sort of a bug I've noticed with 2.8 where it takes a long time for them to pop in, or they just won't ever until you start messing with the materials. So you can grab all the stuff and move it around, and then you see these guys all pop in. But then there's also materials on the tires. This tire mask here that's not showing up yet, but maybe if we change, yeah. So if you change some settings, it'll pop in. I think there's also one up here on the banner. There we go. I think that's it. This is a really sweet model. I love this design. I love this color too. Let's see, it's a mix between purple and white using this door number. Let's see. There we go. Oops. Bring that down. And it's pretty metallic. Maybe, what does it look like? Whoa. Clay car. We can go like this. I'm never gonna get used to that. So cool. Okay, let's bring that back. Let's see if we can add in some detail in the light. Oh, come on! There we go. RX90. This should be chrome. Let's see. And it's so cool that you can model with with all the rendering happening at the same time. Can't wait to get all the hotkeys and stuff working again for 2.8, and we can try to do some extra modeling like this. I wonder if we could. Oh no. Okay. I was thinking to dig this in a little bit. Maybe we could grab here. Maybe from here to here. sorry for ruining your model. I can't help myself from playing. Let's see. Oh, my hotkeys are broken. Okay. Shift D, let's move it over here. S -1. Oops. S -1. And yeah, this might not be the correct for the style, but I just want to try it out. Oh man, so awesome. All right, well, thanks Bruno. And oh shoot, it's got the Scott Robertson car. I love this design. And a Sid Mead car. Definitely. It's so good. Jeez, okay. That's awesome. All right. Okay. Oh, whoa. This one's really cool too. Yeah. That's how computers are. They take over, or they eat our wallets, I guess. Okay. Thanks, Bruno.